Welcome to the Watson's farm, and we're located in the cool hills of Blue Mountain.
All right, so it's a family business. We're in the business for over 20 years. My dad used to transport Christmas trees, and then he just decided that why not plant his own Christmas tree? I just started like probably 5 years ago, also with my cousin right here. So the farm is approximately 2 acres, Christmas tree and coffee. It's a farming community. It's a good business, providing for family and also providing jobs for person in the community also. So would supply trees every year because the market keep growing and growing, so we have to supply each year. So normally when you plant a Christmas tree, it takes up to 3 years before it mature enough and turn into a good sized Christmas tree. Customer can come to us in half a tree. We're located right at Lane Plaza in front of Burger King, right in front of Sakura. Also, you have persons who call and ask us to deliver a tree for them. So charge them to deliver plus a tree plus the setup. For a 4-foot tree, now it's probably gonna be like $2,500 per foot, which would probably be $10,000. And then it all depends on where the person is, probably $5,000 more for transportation. And then to set up the tree now, that's gonna additional cost of $2,500.
Due to the recent rainfalls over the year, there has been various landslides along the route. So the ingress and egress has now been a challenge for us because normally we would drive to the nearest point of the farm, but now the vehicles can't come up to the farm. So going forward, we'll have to employ persons to transport the trees from the farm to the main road, which is like approximately
half an hour
worth of walking. So the transportation is going to be a big issue for us this year. Outside of Christmas season, well, there is coffee, which is in between, but different from the coffee and the Christmas tree. We all have our day-to-day jobs. We attend school, we attend college. The Christmas trees are basically a seasonal thing, seeing that Christmas comes only once a year, so we have to come out big and strong for the once per year.